Salt on my lips, moon on my skin. I rise from the foam, dripping with silence. Necklace of shells, glow on my breast. I've opened the cave, made room in my chest. I undress my fear like a second tide. Let the waves I've hidden finally touch the sky. I am ready, ready for you. Divine man, come swim into this truth. I am open, open and blue. Lay your name on the heart of the ocean. I am ready, ready for you. Palms in the sand, hips drawing circles. I sing your secret into the sea. Bring me your fire, steady and simple. Let your gaze pour deep into me. Hands on my waist, but your soul goes first. Let your body follow after every word. I am ready, ready for you. Divine man, come swim into this truth. I am open, open and blue. Lay your name on the heart of the ocean. I am ready, ready for you. Turns silver and sweet, where the old hurt sinks and the new breath speaks. Touch me like a prayer, answered slow, complete. I'll open like water, rising at your feet. Hey, daddy, daddy, daddy.